How to train your child on how to sort objects by colors. First, collect small objects from around the house like buttons, rubber bands, crayons, color pencils, and etc. And then invite the child to sort the objects according to the colors. You introduce the child to different colored objects in the bowl or other containers. Now you can pick one object and name its color. Place the object in one compartment based on their color. Now, pick another object and name the color. You can continue repeating the steps until all objects are sorted based on their colors. How to train your This sensory lesson is designed for 1 to 3-year-old children to learn how to identify and sort colors. Why you should do this with your children is because they can benefit a lot from it. One of the benefits is to develop fine motor development or pencil grasp. As the child hold the objects, they automatically form the pencil grasp or tripod fingers. Second is improve hand-eye coordination and control movements. Third, it can also enhance their memory and concentration while they are sorting the objects by colors. Other benefits that they can get from it is they can promote language development such as color names, object names, textures, sizes, and also shapes. Other than that, they can also prepare to learn mathematics concepts such as sorting, matching, and numbers.